Hello, I want to show you how to make a fish tape case. Normally in Korea, the buyers buy this fish tape without the case. We also have the case, the fish tape, but because of the price is cheaper than case the fish tape, buyers buy this fish tape and these fish tapes and make their own case themselves by the electric pipe. I will show you how to make the fish tape case now. When you buy this fish tape, there's the heads. The one has with the coated wire, and front one, and back side there's the head directly connected to the cable. And you prepare first the electric pipe. The size is around 80 to 1 meter. It's around 32 inches to 40 inches. And if you prepare to push the end head, the head of the fish tape into the pipe like this. And when it passed, make it like round and hold this head and cable like this and tie them. That's it. After that, you can just push in this fish tape like this. This is a 15 meter, around 50 feet. The same as like this case, the fish tape, but this one is cheaper, so you can save your money. Thank you.